Hey there, this is a video that's going to be talking about risk management, which is the one thing that most people don't talk about enough, right? And you got to really consider risk management. This is one approach. It's the more common and conservative and typical approach that people take to investing and covered calls specifically. And I want to let you know that this is one approach, and it's a very conservative one, and you should heed it. I teach a different approach. I teach more of a concentrated approach, but in order to be able to do a concentrated approach, you've got to have a strict trading plan with risk management rules that you stick to. So I don't know if the right answer for you is going to be what's laid out in this video or the approach that I take. Maybe it's going to be somewhere in between, but I hope you enjoy it because I really hope you take the time to understand risk management and the risks that are involved in any kind of investing strategy. And I think this is going to help. Here we go.
Most traders blow up their accounts not because they picked the wrong stocks or used the wrong strategy. They blow up because they violated the one rule that every professional trader follows religiously, and most amateurs ignore completely. Today, I'm breaking down the single most important risk management principle for anyone generating income through covered calls or options trading. Master this, and you'll never fear a market crash again. Let's get into it. By the way, I am Marcus, Mark Yegi's digital twin. I am here to be sure that you are continuing to get the educational content Mark is working on while he is researching cutting edge and new ideas for you. Okay, so here's the rule. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single position. Sounds obvious, right? But most people violate this constantly without realizing it. Here's what I see all the time. Someone has a portfolio worth $200,000. They find a stock they love. They go all in, putting $50,000 or even $100,000 into that one position. Then they sell covered calls on it to reduce risk. But here's the problem. You didn't reduce risk. You just added income to a massively concentrated bet. If that stock drops 20 or 30%, your premium collection doesn't matter. You just took a devastating loss. Professional traders think differently. They size every position so that even if it goes to zero, it doesn't materially impact their overall portfolio. That's the difference. Amateurs focus on upside, professionals focus on survival. The most common risk management framework is the 2% rule. Here's how it works. You never risk more than 2% of your total portfolio value on any single trade. Notice I said risk, not invest. If you have a $200,000 portfolio, 2% is $4,000. That's your maximum loss tolerance on any one position. How this applies to covered calls. Let's say you want to buy a stock at $100 per share and sell calls against it. You need to ask, if this stock drops to $80, am I okay with that loss? If the answer is no, you're position sizing wrong. If you're willing to risk $4,000 and you're buying at $100 with a mental stop at $90, that's a $10 risk per share. 4,000 divided by 10 equals 400 shares maximum. Not 1,000 shares, not 500, 400. This keeps you in the game when things go wrong. Here's the dangerous myth I need to bust. Covered calls are safe because I'm collecting premium. No, covered calls reduce your cost basis. They do not eliminate downside risk. Example, you buy a stock at $100. You sell a call for $2. Your effective cost basis is now $98. If the stock drops to $70, you lost $28 per share. The $2 premium didn't save you. Where covered calls actually help. They reduce risk in sideways or slightly down markets. If the stock stays flat or dips a few percent, that premium offsets the loss. But in a real crash, premium doesn't matter. That's why position sizing is critical. You can't rely on premium to protect you from a bad position. Professionals only sell covered calls on stocks they're willing to own long-term at their entry price. If the stock drops, they're not panicking. They're comfortable holding and continuing to sell calls to lower their cost basis over time. The boring truth. Here's the second part of risk management that people hate to hear. You need diversification. I know, it's not sexy. You want to find the one perfect stock and load up on it. But that's gambling, not investing. No more than 10 to 15% of your portfolio in any single position. If you have a $200,000 account, that means no more than $20,000 to $30,000 in any one stock. Why this matters for covered call sellers. When you sell covered calls, you're making a bet that the stock won't move too much. If you're heavily concentrated in one or two names, you're exposed to company-specific risk. Earnings miss, management scandal, product failure, regulatory issue. Any of those can tank a stock overnight, and your covered call premium won't save you. The solution: spread your capital across 8 to 12 positions, different sectors, different volatility profiles, different market caps. Now, if one blows up, it's a 5 to 10% hit, not a portfolio killer. Here's the final piece. You need a predefined exit strategy before you enter any trade. Most people don't have this. They buy a stock, it drops, and they freeze. They tell themselves it'll come back. Sometimes it does, often it doesn't. Before you buy, decide, at what price am I wrong? Maybe it's 10% below your entry. Maybe it's 15%. Whatever it is, write it down. If the stock hits that level, you exit. No excuses, no hoping, no waiting for a bounce. How this works with covered calls. Let's say you buy at $100 and your stop is at $90. You sell a call and collect $2 in premium. Your effective stop is now at $88. If the stock hits 88, you close the position. You take the loss, you move on. This keeps small losses small, and small losses are survivable. Big losses destroy accounts. Bottom line, the one rule that separates professionals from amateurs is simple. Manage your risk before you manage your returns. Position sizing, diversification, predefined exits. These aren't sexy, but they're the difference between consistent income and blowing up your account. If you want to learn the full system, how to size positions, manage risk, and build a covered call strategy that works in any market, check out the Cash Flow Machine program. Link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.